Shopify payment setup, how to set up Shopify payment gateway, easy tutorial. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Shopify payment gateway very easily onto your Shopify store. So without any delay, let's get into it. So first of all, you have your shopify.com open for yourself, and then you have to log in to your Shopify store. I've already done that, so this is my basic dashboard. If you haven't got Shopify store, if you have Shopify store, so then you need to log in. If you don't have it, then you have to basically sign in. For signing in, you can just have to simply provide your email, then you have to provide your password and everything. Then you need to create a store for yourself, add in some information, and you'll be good to go. And then you will come right here onto your main dashboard. After coming here, what you need to do is you have to set up a payment method for your Shopify customers. So for that purpose, what you need to do is you have to go on to this option right here, which is says settings. You have to open it, and here you will find this option right here which says payments. When you will click on this option which says payments, you will appear here. So here you can see we have three payment options. We can add payment providers that enable you to accept payment methods at a rate set by the third party. An additional fee will apply to new orders once you select a plan. So you can choose a provider, or you can supported payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved method providers. You can have supported payment methods, and then you have your manual payment methods as well, payments that are made outside your online store. When a customer selects a manual payment method such as cash on delivery, you'll need to approve their order before it can be fulfilled. So you can add a manual payment method as well, but today I'm going to add this payment method. I'm going to use this payment providers. I'm going to click on this choose a provider. I'm going to wait. So now you can see you have these all of these payment providers right here. So for yourself, what I would recommend is you use a payment provider that have more options right here, like this payment provider right. This is the first payment provider. This one has Visa, MasterCard. This has Amex, American Express. This has Discover, this has JCB, and it also has Diners Club. So it accepts all of these cards, but you should go with a payment provider if it's available in your country with something which has others as well, like this ADN payment provider. This has Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, and it also has Diners Club, Dancord, and Maestro. So you have to choose something which has a lot more options, so that when your customers, doesn't matter which card they have, they can make payments with any one of them. So you need to choose that, but obviously it is not available in my country, and only one which is available in my country is this one. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to choose this. After that, what I need to do is basically I have to go on to checkout. I need to create an account. After that, I have to log in and activate my account. I need to access the integrations, webhooks, and API. Under the API section, I had to copy the merchant code and paste it. Then I have to generate a new INS secret word and paste it in secret word. Then I need to click on save settings. In the redirect URL section, check enable return after sale and everything. So I need to basically complete all of those steps, and then I will be able to integrate my payment method on Shopify. So let's go on and continue with the process. I'm going to click on this option which says create a checkout account. It is blue in color, so obviously it will redirect me to the page that I want to go. So I'm just going to basically open that tab, and then I'm going to continue with the whole process. Okay, so here you can see this is basically to checkout is now Verifone, and I need to create an account on Verifone. So I can just go on and set up for free, and I can start selling in 200 plus countries and territories, integrate with any of 120 plus cards, provide the localized experience buyers expect and everything. So what I need to do is I'm just going to click on this option which says sign up for free, and I'm going to continue with that. Okay, so for signing up, you need to provide your first name, you need to provide your last name, you need to provide your business email, you need to provide a password. You can just go on and add any password that you need to provide. A website, you can just go on and add any website that you want. It will be better if you go on with this specific website that you're creating the store for. I'm just going to go on and copy this, and I'm going to add it into the website. Okay, the next is basically you need to choose your country. It is Pakistan. Then you need to check in that you're not a robot, and after that you need to click on this option right here which says get started. Okay, so now what type of products do you want to sell? You have an online services, you are your retailer or physical products. You can choose anything that you want, and you can just go on and continue with create account. After that, your account will be created, and you'll be able to continue with the process further on. Okay, so here you can see I'm on the dashboard of checkout 2. Now, welcome Iman, let's get you started. What you need to do first is you need to activate your account. For that, you need to click on this button which says start activation, and then you are basically going to get started to activate your account. First of all, what you need to do is you have to, the purpose of activation process, you need to, read everything, and after that, you need to click on next. Then you have to add in information about your store. The store, your partnership, your company registration, date, your city, your country, and everything zip postal. After you click on next, you have to go to financial details. Then you have to go on to your stakeholders, about your products. You need to add in account settings, you need to add in documents and summary. After this, be able to activate your account. So it's a very lengthy process. You have to add in a lot of big and small details so that you can continue with that. I'm just not going to go into the hassle of this because this is just a tutorial. So you can do that if you are basically creating, if you want to add the Shopify payment gateway onto your Shopify store, then you must complete this whole process to activate your account, and only then you will be able to do that. I'm just going to go and save for later and exit this, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to find the integration. So when you go back to Shopify, here you can see create a 2-checkout account. It's done. Log in and activate your 2-checkout account, because that we haven't done right now, but you can access the integrations webhooks and API section in your cPanel. Under the API section, copy the merchant code and paste it in the merchant code field on this page in the secret word section. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to dashboard. We're going to go into integrations. In integrations, I'm going to see webhooks and API. I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to find the merchant code or something. I'm just going to scroll down, and here you can see this is the merchant code that I want. This is the code that I want. I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to the store by M, and I'm going to add it into the merchant code section right here. I'm going to paste it. Okay, so the next step is basically after that, generate a new INS secret word and paste it in the secret word section on this page. After that, I'm going to go back into webhooks and API. This is the secret key. I'm going to generate new keys. I'm going to click on that. Okay, I'm going to generate a new key for myself, previous published key, and okay, these are the new keys. Now what I need is I need to generate a new INS secret word. I'm going to click on this, generate, and it has been generated. Now I need to copy it, and now I'm going to go back onto my Shopify store, and I'm going to add it into the secret word option, and I'm going to paste. Okay, so it has been pasted. After that, here are the cards that you want to be accessed from to checkout. Now the test mode, if you want to enable the test mode, you can, but I'm just going to go on, and I'm going to activate my to checkout. Okay, so to checkout has been activated and my payment method has been added. So now if I go into payments from this option right here, then I will see that this payment right here has been added and the choose checkout account has been activated. So after this, you can just go on to your to checkout and you can activate the whole thing from there as well. And then whenever a person makes payments and everything, so they will be able to access your to checkout and make payments with any of these cards if they have. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and please give this video a thumbs up, and bye bye.